Every 39 seconds, someone, somewhere is hit by a cyber attack. And by 2025, cybercrime could cost the world over $10 trillion a year. That's massive. But here's the exciting part. Cybersecurity experts are in demand like never before. And you don't need to spend years in the school or thousands of dollars to get started. In this video, I'll show you the top 6 free cybersecurity courses that are perfect for beginners. Stick around till the end because I'll also share some pro tips on how to kickstart your career in cybersecurity. Why cybersecurity matters. Think about it. Every time you log into Instagram, shop online, or even share files at work, your data could be at risk. Cybersecurity isn't just about those hackers and hoodies you see in movies. It's about protecting real people, real money, and even governments. And the demand? Right now, the world needs 3.5 million more cybersecurity professionals. That means higher salaries, faster growth, and tons of career options. Sounds good? Let's dive into the free courses. Here are 6 beginner-friendly courses you can start today. All free, all online. Number 1. Introduction to Cybersecurity, FutureLearn. This course from the Open University is super beginner-friendly. It runs for 8 weeks with just 2 hours per week, so it's manageable even if you're busy. You'll learn about malware, cryptography, and how to protect your personal data online. If you've never studied cybersecurity before, this is a perfect starting point. You can also get a certificate if you choose to upgrade. Number 2, Cybersecurity Basics on IBM on edX. IBM has put together a great course on edX that covers the basics, what different types of attacks look like, and how to defend against them. It's self-paced, so you can finish it as fast or slow as you like. By the end, you'll know the key terms and best practices used by real IT security teams. There's also an option to grab a verified certificate. Number 3, Introduction to IT and Cybersecurity from Cybrary. This one is shorter, around 4 hours, and it gives you a nice overview of both IT fundamentals and cybersecurity basics. What's cool is that it also explains different job roles in cybersecurity. So if you're not sure whether you'd like to be an analyst, a network defender, or something else, this course helps you figure it out. You even get a certificate if you sign up with Cybrary. Number 4, Foundations of Cybersecurity by Google on Coursera. Google's career certificate program is pretty popular, and this Foundations of Cybersecurity course is part of it. It's designed for complete beginners and takes about a month if you study 10 hours a week. You'll get hands-on with security tools, learn risk management, and practice real-world analysis. This course is great if you're aiming for entry-level jobs like security analyst or SOC analyst. Number 5, Cybersecurity for Everyone, University of Maryland, on Coursera. Now, if you're someone without a technical background, don't worry. This course is made exactly for you. Over 4 weeks, it explains the essentials of network security, social engineering, and strategies to protect both individuals and businesses. It balances theory with practical tips, so it's perfect for non-tech learners who just want to understand how to stay safe online while also exploring a career option. Number 6, Introduction to Cybersecurity, Cisco Networking Academy. Finally, we've got Cisco's free course, and this one is super popular. It covers the core of cybersecurity, data protection, digital forensics, and even career opportunities in the field. The best part? Once you finish, you get a Cisco Digital Badge, a credential that can make your LinkedIn profile stand out when applying for IT support or security trainee jobs. Tips to get started. Before you start, here are a few quick tips to make your learning stick. Number 1, start small. Pick one course and finish it. Don't overload yourself. Number 2, practice hands-on. Many of these courses include labs or real-life examples. Try them out. Number 3, stay updated. Cybersecurity changes fast, so follow news and blogs. And number 4, go for certifications later. Once you have the basics, aim for something like CompTIA Security Plus to boost your career. So, before ending, we can conclude that cybersecurity isn't just a career, it's a superpower in today's digital world. And the best part? You can start building that skill right now for free with these courses. So, which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss free learning opportunities. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next one.